Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2010. The two opportunities I have for you today are going to be in video, and from now on they'll be in video. Uh, I think you just get more across in a video than you do just providing a chart with a couple of little squiggly lines on it. And I like talking to myself. So let's check this out. On the short side, if you wanted to play the short, it's possible setup here in AMG. What is it with this? Hang on. Pull up another one. Sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. Alright. AMG. Possible move to the downside there. You'll notice the inverted hammer right there. That's showing sell pressure, and it's typically a really good sell indicator. You'll notice we've had a few in the past as well. Okay. Alright, you'll also notice we've got the overbought condition of the slow stotch, and moving down, grab that again. Moving down, we've got the overbought condition of the RSI. This histogram here shows that we've already had the first move, the second wave, and now we're likely going to pull back in here. These two lines here are going to converge to a bearish crossover and move lower. So that's a possible short there if you're interested in that move. There are different methods for the stop. You could use the stop on this previous high at 78.39, so your stop would be 1 cent above that previous high at 78.40. Or you could be looking at the market, anticipating it to continue pushing a little bit higher, and that would, show potential for this to attempt to move higher, to bounce and try to break out of this downtrend. This possibly set up in these last 3 days. If that's the case, you could move higher and get stopped out before you actually peak anyway. So some traders might not use that method. They may instead use a 10% stop or something like that to put you a little higher, and that would give you room to move without being too tight. How you play is up to you if you play it. Okay, on the long side, let's pull something out. Let's see, we got BID, ticker symbol BID, I should say. Right, let's pull up the annotated chart on that. Okay, we got a possible move higher. If the market continues higher, you could see this continue higher as well. So let's have a look at it from the long side. We've got this little triangle pattern setting up right there. Right there, right there. Be watching that for a breakout. Say above, I don't know, above today's high. What is 30.81? So around 30.85, something like that. Maybe looking for that. If it's going to break out, she might close above that line. You'd be watching that. And possible long there. But remember, this is a momentum move. This is not an oversold dip opportunity. This is a momentum move higher. So if you want to keep a tight stop on that, maybe a stop if you took off tomorrow, maybe a stop right there on just 1 cent below today's low, that kind of thing. That's how I would play that for a momentum play. You'll notice we had really strong volume off of this major support right here. Let's go ahead and pull up those. See the support line right here. This little, yeah, there you go, tightening up pattern. And then the breakout on good volume, followed up there. Alright, those people that missed it are like waiting to get into it. So the odds of a pullback become less because any weakness would be people waiting to get into it, would jump into it. If you did see a pullback, people might consider it as a buy opportunity rather than a short opportunity. I definitely would not short this situation, so that's how that would play out right there. You've had a consistent formation of this pattern here with the breakout and consolidation and then the breakout. So here we are again, consolidating, potential to break out again and move higher. So be watching that. If you're not a full access member, you want to know what's in my portfolio and when I make a move and at what price I set my stops and all that stuff, then you need to go ahead and sign up on our website, pay the $145 a year, and I will see you there. We have a lot of really smart traders in our message forum and in our live trading room, so come join us. I'll see you all tomorrow morning.